Hello students, today we will learn the problems of this chapter, that is inequalities in a triangle, exercise 9b. We shall just solve some problems within this exercise. So, what is actually asked for? Is it possible to construct a triangle with the lengths of the sides as given below? These are the sides given below. Whether this is possible to construct a triangle or not. We know this is a minimum requirement is sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. Then it will be possible to draw any triangle. Here sum of two sides, that is the smaller one side, are 5 and 4. The sum of this 5 and 4, it is actually 9. This is not greater than 9. So this is not possible to draw triangle with the help of this 5 cm, 4 cm, 9 cm. In this way, 8 semi, 7 semi and 4 semi is given. That is the least side, and the two least sides are actually 7 and 4. The sum of these two, 7 and 4, it is greater than 8. So it is possible. Here is also same, that is 5 plus 6 is greater than 10. So it is also possible to draw a triangle with the length of this of the sides of the triangle. So in this way you can also, rest of the problems you can solve this one. Next I am just taking number 2. What is it asked for? In triangle ABC, angle A is 50 given, angle 6 is given 60, B is given 60 degree. Then we have to find out the longest side and also the shortest side. Here if angle A equal to 50, B equal to 60, we know sum of these three angles will be 180, then angle C will be 70 degree. Now if it is C 70 degree, which is actually the 70 is actually the high, that is the greatest angle within this triangle. So the opposite sides of 70 degree AB, it will be the longest side. And the shortest side will be the opposite sides of 50 degree angle, that is angle A, that is equal to BC. Now number 4, what is actually asked for? Say, in the triangle ABC, AB is produced. See ABC, BC is produced over here. Okay, D such that AC equal to CD is given. So as per this drawing I am just putting over here, you can just go through this one. Otherwise you can also just change this one. See, it is given C this one. This is A and B and D. Now we can just tell this one, see, AB is produced up to D such that BC equal to AD. Now see, this triangle is actually isosceles triangle. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2, and this is actually angle 6 because this is the exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite two interior angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2, it will be 60 degree. So we can say that is angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 30 degree. From here you can just take. Now it is given that is AD is greater than AC. AD is greater than AC means AD is greater than CD. AD, see, this is 30 degree and this is 50 degree. This is total is 80 degree. Then 80 degree and this is 70 degree. Therefore, this 80 degree opposite sides AD is greater than CD. That is 70 degree opposite to angle CD. So in this way we can also prove this one, number 2. What is asked for? AD is actually this side and is greater than AC. See, AD is, this is 80 degree and AC opposite sides equal to this is 30 degree. So this will be ACD is greater than ADC. So you can just tell that is AD is greater than AC. So in this way you can just see this, that is the opposite side will be greater and the lower angle opposite sides are smaller. 7. It is given in quadrilateral ABCD, show that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. We need to prove this one. See, we are just joining this AC and BD. Now in triangle ABD, that is two sides is greater than the third side. that is AB plus AD is greater than BD. Once again, in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Next is triangle ADC, that is AD plus CD or DC is greater than AC. And triangle BCD, it is actually, this is BC plus CD is greater than BD. That is two sides, sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. Now add all these things. See here, AB plus AB. 2AB, that is I am just taking 2 as common. BC also 2, CD also 2 and AD also 2. So this 2 is common with this, and here also 2AC and 2BD. I am just taking 2 as common. So these two sides 2 will be cutted off, and remaining this is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Next is number 10. See the figure, it is given PQR. Here PQ is greater than PR. PQ is greater than PR. And the bisector of Q, angle Q and angle R, that is QS and RS are the bisector of these two angles, that is Q and R. It just meet at point S. So we need to prove SQ is greater than SR. Here see, it is given PQ is greater than PR. So opposite side of opposite angle of PQ, it will be PRQ, and opposite sides of this side PR, it is actually PQR is greater than PQR. Now if I am just doing half of both from both the side, then half of PRQ is greater than half of PQR. Then half of PRQ is actually how much? This is actually the bisector, that is actually SRQ, and this is actually SQR. So this is actually these two angles. Well, then if this triangle SQR, this SRQ is greater than SQR, therefore the opposite side, that is SQ, is greater than SR. Through these problems within these videos, try to solve some more. The rest which is actually inside this. In my next video, these exercises will be covered. We shall just work out some more problems in my next video. Thank you very much.